TFNN. Headline News Update.
Everyone, this is the last day of May in the trading market. Here we've got the Dow down 194, 25,205. Here we are, 29th of May. What a month it's been. Isn't this incredible? So look at the chart. Look at the monthly chart. Look at that green candle. Well, this is the Tiger Financial News Network noontime update. Basil Chapman here. I'm the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour and the author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter. Let's get to the markets. Remember we spoke about this Chapman Wave Inside Track technique that I have where you draw this very narrow, I did this in my webinar last night, I showed you draw this very narrow little channel. This doesn't have to be, that has to be parallel, but the overall picture has, in this case, has a rising wedge, narrowing wedge, but this upper line shows you the resistance. Look at the resistance, not only that, 25,580. Is the 200-period exponential moving average. We were at 25,210, and yesterday we had 25,758. That is remarkable. So I am looking at this and saying within the next 3-4 days, there should be a test of this upper level. I think we should get to a leg deep, should have another test of the high 25,000s, maybe the mid, let's see, call it 25,800 level. And then we'll see what happens. But the S&P also has the same notation, peak C at this particular point. MACD is good. Stochastic is 91%. All these technicals are very strong. And look, we're above all the resistance levels of the trend lines, the moving averages, the 9, the 14, the 250. Up above that, that's really good action. And you've got buy modes in the down, the S&P weekly charts. Look at the QQQ having a better day than yesterday. Here it is up 61 cents at 230.56. It's got this cluster formation here that says a lot of resistance overhead. 233.57 was the high of the 26 just a few days ago. And it's kind of struggling here. And look, we've got the V-shaped pattern. I'm going to talk about it when we do my show. Tiger Technicians Hour coming up in a few minutes. IWM, and this is going to be really interesting. Look, the IWM is down sharply. Yes, it's a leader. Then all of a sudden it's a failure. I want to talk about that. Hey, wait a minute. Gold is finding some love. It is up 23 at 1752, still stuck in the range. Remember, I drew this U with a second U. I'm going to be taking quite a bit of time in my show coming up doing the gold charts, the XAU, the GLD, the GDX, etc. I think it's very important right at this moment for me to be able to do it and articulate it clearly. I'll be